guys, it's Erica and welcome back to my channel. I have not seen you guys in forever and a day. I know. So let's go ahead and do a really quick catch up and then we'll talk about what I'm here for and like what project I've been working on for like a long time. So the last time that we spoke, I'm really not sure where we left off because it was such a long time ago, but updates. I am now a lead ultrasound tech, so it is a super rewarding job. I love my job. It just started off with me making the schedule, ordering the supplies, and doing things like that, getting used to telling people what to do, which is kind of hard at first because everyone's not receptive, and then you have to learn how to build that trust and that respect within your team. And then it just became so much more than that. And I thank God that I've been able to work very closely with management to where I am a part of building morale, coming up with ideas for like our events that we have at work. I've been able to be a part of a lot of panel interviews. I'm a part of the interviews on picking our team members and seeing who's a good fit for our team, who's not a good fit for our team, learning how to like encourage and speak life to my team members when they're on the floor doing work, learning how to be a good leader, how to step in and help, and just how I can just improve as a leader and just be better. And I've just learned so much in this position, so it's been really rewarding. So yeah, and Kaden and the family are great as well. So if you guys have been following me for a very long time, then you remember my Simply Sonography Patreon membership. So basically I created a membership program, and in my mind that we were going to do all these things. It was going to be a community, this, that, and the other. I put a few videos out weekly, and it just didn't become what I wanted it to be. It wasn't very well thought out at all. Like I feel like I had the idea, and like by the next week I was like running with it and launching it, and like there was just really no thought put into it at all. So when I closed the membership program, I knew I still wanted to have Simply Sonography. I just had to sit down and think of like, what do I want it to be? And really I wanted it to be a place where I taught sonography, or where I explained sonography simply in a way that everyone could understand. So I got down to the nitty-gritty and I made lessons. I sat down, I made video lessons, I did all the research, I found all the pictures, I put everything together, and I created like over 20 lessons, and I created a course. So now I am rebooting Simply Sonography in a different way. So I have this course on there. I'm also wanting to like branch out into so many other things like cheat sheets and quizzes and just different things that you can use in sonography to make things a lot simpler. So I am inviting you all to join the membership. The membership is $25 a month, but it's well worth it. It's taken me years to come up with these videos, make sure that they have all the information that I learned in school, making sure things are accurate, making sure things are legal, and all those types of things. So the first thing I'm starting off with is this course. It's already done. You won't have to worry about waiting for it. It's already done. And yeah, so the course is done, and then I am planning to add more things. I'm working on another course. I am working on doing, like I said, quizzes and cheat sheets and just different things that you can utilize to help make sonography simple. So I want you guys to just check out a little bit of a snippet from one of the videos. Okay guys, so we made it to the fun part. This is going to explain why we see so many different shades of gray and how we're able to actually get an image on our screen. A lot of times people come and they say, I don't see anything, or all I see is gray, like I don't know what I'm looking at. So I'm going to explain to you guys how all this works. But first, let's talk a little bit about the sound waves that we learned about. So what do you know about sound waves? About going out to somewhere and yelling? What usually happens? You usually get an echo coming back to you. And that is exactly how sound waves work in ultrasound as well. So I'm just going to illustrate what these echoes are going to do and how we're able to get the image that we're able to get, okay? So I'm going to take this here, and we have our sound waves, and they're just going off into the distance. They're going through, and these are our sound waves penetrating through our body. And what happens is they begin to hit things like, uh-oh, I hit a little bit of liquid. So I'm going to go back. And we'll get an image on the screen, and they'll keep going out, and uh-oh, I hit some tissue. I'm going to go back. And we keep going again, and uh-oh, I hit some bone. So I'm definitely going to make my way back, okay? So that's how it works. I'm going to erase this off the screen, but just an illustration so you guys understand. So down here we have our bladder. So the first thing is liquid. When the ultrasound hits liquid, or when sound waves hit liquid, they are fully absorbed and they appear black on the screen. So right here, I'm going to show you guys that when this ultrasound probe hit this liquid over here, we end up with this blackness in here. This right here is a picture of someone's bladder, and this blackness on the inside is the urine that's within the bladder. It's going to show up black on the screen. Some more things that would show up black on the screen would be something that had blood in it. It's going to show. So if you are interested in joining the membership, then I have linked everything down below. I hope you guys will join it. I worked really, really hard on it. I'm very proud of how it came out. I try to make it very interactive. I have the little the pen where I'm able to like show you why this does this, and like how to do your probe and stuff like that. I'm hoping that I can branch out and show you guys even more. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this membership program. Like I said, it's going to start off with just the course, but it's over 20 lessons. Like, it's going to take you a little bit to get through that course, and then I am currently just working on some other things that I can add. But yeah, I really just hope you guys enjoy it. And I know some people might be concerned about the price, like, oh my gosh, $25 a month, but it is worth it. It's very well worth it. If you are interested in joining a sonography program, if you're already in a sonography program, if you've graduated and need a refresher, this is just a great place to start. Like I said, I want to add more, but right now the course itself is enough. There's 21 lessons. I'm really breaking down terminology, embryology, some common scan protocols, and yeah. So that is pretty much it. I love y'all, like I really do. Like, I have not been on this camera in like such a long time. I was so nervous to just like put my makeup on and sit in front of the camera and talk to you guys, but like now that I'm here, I love this. I've always loved this. So I'm glad I got to talk to you guys. I'm glad you guys got to do a little bit of the catch up with me. What are you guys up to? Tell me in the comment section what you're up to. Are you gonna join the membership? Even if you join for just a month and see how you like it, I pretty much think that you're gonna stay, but I'm biased. So yes, join the membership. I'll see you guys inside, and then I'm not gonna lie to you and tell you like I'm gonna be on the camera next week or anything, but it was so nice talking to you guys and so nice catching up, and I love y'all so much. Bye.